Summer School 2026 has enhanced my a lot of skills like problem solving, imagination, and creativity, critical thinking.
I especially enjoyed the agri-tech lab and smart farming. As I belong to a farmer family and I'm really interested in business, this experience really sparked my interest in agriculture and innovation.
In school, I got a chance to participate in creative activities such as art, craft, painting, calligraphy, and working with Canva.
The best thing about Namal Summer School here in Miyawali is that we learned a lot about AIs, and the super astonishing thing was the development of the supercomputers here in Namal Summer School.
In this summer school, my favorite sessions were rocks and minerals and AI. I also enjoy the physical activities of sport that keep us active throughout the week.
Person who's into literature and poetry, I was deeply fascinated by what was being taught to us about our national poet Allama Iqbal.